Trump is begging the Supreme Court, hey, listen, it is March 28, 2025, and he's in trouble. He's in big trouble. Here's what I mean. He just lost the appeals court with the Alien Enemies Act case, which Bozenberg, who also is now over the Signal case that the Oversight America is suing all of the chat people in. Trump is in big trouble because now his Alien Enemies Act has been turned down by the appeals court. Now he's got to go beg the Supreme Court to, one, take the case, see if they even take it, and two, try to get them to overturn it, which ain't going to happen. Here's the problem. He's already lost 2 Supreme Court cases. One for those nonprofits who sued for $2 billion U.S. aid, U.S. aid, they just got overturned too. They like, listen, bring everything back, reverse everything. The federal courts have gone against them on that. They'll probably try to take that through appeal and through Supreme Court. And now we have a situation where, and this nonprofit, they won the $2 billion they're supposed to get right now because the Supreme Court said, we're taking it down to lower courts. We agree with them. Then they had this crazy case. Biden had this law who said, listen, you're going to get gun kits, you got to get background checks. Duh. And they went up against that and lost 7-2. They got a horrible record. Donald Trump, here's his record from the Supreme Court, appellate court, down to the regular court. There have been 42 judgments, and he's lost 41 of them. He's losing. So what I'm saying is he's going to beg them about this Boasberg case, which is a waste of time. Boasberg gave a sound judgment to block that, and they're in contempt of court right now. They're trying to save themselves by saying we're states' secrets. But the problem is you're saying that to a judge who has highly classified clearance because he's not just any judge. He's a judge basically appointed by Chief Roberts Justice, and he's a judge for foreign terrorism. You messing with a G. That's like telling somebody, and all he wants is the flight patterns that anybody has. Anybody meaning the ground crew, whether it be in El Salvador or here in Gaza, the flight plans, even the deportees got the flight plan. He's not asking for some highly sensitive documents. That's like saying, no, I can't give you addition. You don't understand. You're not allowed to know addition to a tenured professor at MIT for calculus. That's where he's messing with. And now he's begging the Supreme Court to take this case up there, the Alien Enemies Act. This guy's losing. He is losing. Did I just earn your subscription? And I know if you're a liberal, a Kamala Harris voter, a leftist, I should have already had it. If I haven't, thank you. Leave a message in the comments. If you're not any of those things and you're a MAGA voter, kick rocks. But you get the idea. Definitely join me. If you're looking at this from another social media other than Darren Monroe Politics on YouTube, definitely follow me there. But also get over to Darren Monroe Politics on YouTube because I'm leaving most of my content there. I'm leaving the most content I create is on YouTube. And they let me say what I want. So by all means, get over there and join me.